What a great traffic jam. MGTF. Oakland. Is that Buick? Dodge. Sorry, Dodge. Oh, beautiful rumble seat. Look at a nice little Falcon wagon. 59 Chevy. I'll get up the wagon here. That is 71 Torino. Correct me if I'm wrong, folks. Got Plymouth back there. Nice. And of course, Duster. It's about 73. Fox body. Big Bad AMX. And the Chrysler Station Wagon, Town and Country. Followed by a magnificent Packard. Sounds interesting. Couple knocks in there, shouldn't be. Little Metro. There's 16 Metros. The Imperial, that's the new one. Newer. They did have a newer one after that. Little shoebox, 50. Nice Mustang, about 69. Correct me if I'm wrong. 302 Boss. 69? 70. Oh, that's right. 68, 69 are the one style. 70 goes into that. And then we've got the Packard. Buick Riata in the back. Nice Packard. That's a Patrician. Beautiful. You know my affinity. And of course we've got Nomad, 56 Nomad. Mustang. Yay, Checker! Had a great showing of Checkers today. Excellent. Barracuda, about 68. Another 50 shoe. Another 50 shoe. And another 50 shoe. A 55 Vicky. That is beautiful. Just beautiful. Buick GS 455. $1970? Yep. There's that Ford Pilot, the English Ford Pilot. That's the V8. Oh, beautiful. Pulling the trailer. That's the Chevy Woody Wagon. Woody Wagon. Of course it's a Woody Wagon. Oh, is that pretty? The Pacer Station Wagon. Very unusual. Look at that Lincoln. And of course, 69, 70 Camaro. This is Pam from Northeast. I'm doing great. This is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com at the 2019 Awkscht Fescht. We're just watching the cars go by as they're leaving for a great day after a great day. Little Torino. Nice Mach 1. There they go. They're already hassling the volunteers. Let's treat those volunteers with respect. As a V6, as a Chrysler LeBaron. Oh, look at that Hudson. Oh my gosh. Is that beautiful? Just beautiful. And of course a Buick. Let's continue on and see what else is coming up. Chevy 490. Nice. 1990. I had one of those. Ford Model T. As we bid a fond farewell to another Awkscht Fescht in Country, PA. This is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com for 2019 Awkscht Fescht. For more cool events like this, make sure you check NortheastWheelsEvents.com, SoutheastWheelsEvents.com, UKWheelsEvents.com, and while you're there, post and share your events. I'll see you at the shows.